Hello Stampers, it's Debbie with Stamp It with Debbie, and I'm here today to talk to you about a virtual class that I will be offering for the month of May. For that class, I'm going to be using the stamp set Butterfly Gala and the coordinating punch, the Butterfly Punch. Now, if you're not familiar with a virtual class, let me just explain for a moment. I'm going to create a Facebook group, a private Facebook group that is going to be exclusive to anyone who purchases the class from me. On the night of May 18th at 7 p.m., we will all get together and assemble our projects together. And don't worry if you can't make that night, because Facebook Live will record and then you can go back and watch it over as many times as you want to. So a virtual class, what's going to happen, because we can't get together right now and stamp, and it's still fun to stamp with our friends and see other people and just be a part of a group with other people. So what I'm doing is I'm offering this class with 3 different options. It is 5 projects, and you will get everything that you need to create the 5 projects. So let me show you what the projects are, and then we'll talk about the options. So this is the first card. And then number 2. This one is a fancy fold. It does fold flat for mailing. This is card number 3 and card number 4. Now, let's talk about the options here real quickly. So option number 1, you are going to get the stamp set and the punch, and you're going to get all of the paper and embellishments you need to create these 5 projects. The cost for that is $55, and it will be sent to you priority shipping. So what's going to happen if you want to sign up for class is you will email me at stampitwithdebbie@gmail.com and let me know that you're interested, and then I can invoice you. So that is option number 1, $55. You're getting the stamp set, the punch, all the coordinating pieces, along with envelopes, and you'll have access to the exclusive Facebook group. Option number 2 is if you already own the stamp set, but you still want to be part of the group, I'm going to mail you all of the pieces that you need to make all 5 projects, including the envelopes, and then you'll also have access to the Facebook group. That's $15. I'm sorry, $20, because I need to include shipping. Option number 3, if you have the stamp set and you want to cut all of your own pieces, that option is $10. So you're going to join us that night, and you will assemble your projects along with us, but you're going to cut all of your own pieces. Now, I will send you the dimensions for the card pieces in advance so that you know what you need to cut and what products I'm going to be using. One of the other products I'm going to be using is, you won't get a full pack of this, but this is the Best Dressed paper from the mini catalog, and this is the paper that I'm featuring for all 5 of the projects. So again, I'll just recap real quickly. Option number 1 comes with the stamp set, the coordinating punch, all the pieces that you need for the projects, and you're going to get priority shipping. The date to sign up for the class is May 4th. I need payment and RSVP by that date. And then I'm going to go ahead and place my order. And as soon as I receive all of the products from Stampin' Up, I will send you a package in the mail, and you'll have it by the 18th. So option number 1 is $55. Option number 2, again, is $20 and includes all of the make and take items that you'll need, but you will not get the stamp set or the punch. But you will get everything for the 5 cards plus the envelopes. Option number 3, if you want to cut your own cardstock and you already own the stamp set, or you want to use one that's similar, that option is $10, but you will receive the exclusive link to the Facebook group. So again, if you want to learn more information, you can find it over at my blog, stampitwithdebbie.blogspot.com. You can email me at stampitwithdebbie@gmail.com, and I would be happy to answer any questions that you might have. Don't forget, the deadline for signing up is May 4th, 2020, and the class will be held on May 18th at 7 p.m. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you in class.